Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this glass vase from Dollar Tree and this jute that is from Hobby Lobby. I start by hot gluing the jute at the bottom of the vase. I hot glue the first couple rows so that stays into place, and then I wrap it around a few times, hot gluing a little bit as I go. And I do this all the way up to the top of the vase. And at the top, when I cut it, I add some tacky glue onto that end piece just to keep it stuck down into place. I also do cover the bottom of the vase in that jute as well, just hot gluing it in the center and then continue wrapping it around until the bottom is completely covered. Next, I'm taking another piece of that jute, adding some tacky glue to both ends of it, and adding those ends together, twisting it, just making sure those are fully together. I then add tacky glue all around one side of that circle, and then I'll be placing that on the vase. I use my heat tool to make sure that's fully adhered. I then take black acrylic paint and fill in between that circle, just giving it one quick coat. I then take these little bees I got from Temu and hot glue them throughout the front side of that vase. Next, I'm taking Antique Wax by Waverly and this 4-inch wood plaque I got from Hobby Lobby, and I brush the wax on with a baby wipe, covering that completely with just one coat. Once that's dry, I hot glue some floral foam to the bottom of the plaque. I then fill in completely the foam with this eucalyptus pick that I had cut up, and that is from Walmart. Next, I'm taking this push light I got from Dollar Tree. I remove that adhesive from the bottom. I add some hot glue to that, and then place the top end of the plaque on top of that. Now you still can twist off the light to change out the batteries. Once that's fully adhered on there, I place it inside the vase, and then you can also push the light on so it'll light up. And that's it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.